So I have Anthony here. He just finished our Details R Certified Detailer Private License Training Program. Anthony, what part of Florida are you from?
Central Florida, located in between Tampa and Orlando.
Gotcha. And you have a business now where you're doing some mobile detailing and some pressure washing too?
Yep.
So why did you decide to come to the Details R training?
I searched around on the internet, looking at different training courses. There was a few all over, and this was more of the hands-on and more of the one-on-one student training. So all the reviews that I've seen on Google and everything pointed me in this direction. Had a talk with Nick that owns it. I mean, we communicated 2 or 3 times. He might have thought I blew him off a couple of times because I didn't text him back, which was my bad.
That's okay.
But we made it work, and I'm gonna tell you, it's worth it if you're trying to do the detailing, no matter if you're DIYing or what. He's got a great group of guys here that helps him with the training and everything, and get out there and do what you got to do.
Thank you very much. So what did you think of the business class on Friday?
Great. A lot of information. I mean, I never thought about going to the Chamber of Commerce, stuff like that, setting up in with those and doing stuff. He'll tell you where you need to go, what social media you need to set up, what you need to have.
Yes, he does. He knows his stuff, huh?
He knows it. He'll let you know. He'll tell you downhearted,
What about the hands-on days? You had the paint correction, polishing, and coating day yesterday.
I do like I did. Tell them boys, you didn't pay to come here and let them do it. You get out the way. Show me what you want me to do.
It. So you learned a lot.
It's great. Learned a lot from him.
Today.
Chase and Nolan, they're great.
Yeah, Chase did a great job.
Thank you.
Yep. And you also did the. Today was the interior cleaning, detailing, coating, and headlight restoration. What do you think of today?
Oh, I enjoyed it. There was stuff that I was doing back home that I thought I was doing the right way. I wasn't doing it the right way. Yeah. I bet I'll do it the right way now.
Yeah, gotcha. Get all the steps down.
Yep,
you did a fantastic job.
Well, I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. You are now Details R and Jade Ceramic Coating Certified. Thank you. Have a safe trip back. Oh, and we got a huge order of yours to pack.
Yeah, and I'm coming to mess you up, Florida.
Thank you.